Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's look because I'm filming a New Year's Eve look and I'm showing you guys how to achieve this look. And I honestly had something completely different in mind today. I woke up and I was like, okay, I'm filming a New Year's Eve look, but I want it to be quick and easy and like a soft glam New Year's Eve look. And I don't know how I ended up with this. I started off soft and ended up just smoking it out and just kept going and going and going and ended up with this look, but I'm obsessed. I love it so much. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I love that feline sexy eye look and the black and silver combination. Love it so much. So if you want to stick around to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going to start off by applying some tape at the outer corner of my eye, and now I'm just going to apply some translucent powder to catch any fallout. I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Passion in Paris palette. The first shade I'm going into is Notre Dame. With my Sigma E30 Diffuse Crease Brush, I'm just applying this shadow through my crease. This is going to be my transition shade. It's going to help make everything a little bit more blendable. And then I'm also going to bring the shadow back at the very end to help blend everything out. I'm now about to butcher the shadow name, but I'm going into Musée d'Orsay. With my E15 Flat Definer Brush, I'm going to start off by first just lining my lash line with this shadow. Now going into the E42 Precision Firm Blending Brush, I'm going to start applying this on the outer corner. And it's going to look a little patchy right now, but don't worry, it's going to look so good at the end. Just going back and forth. I'm using a really light hand, so I'm holding the handle at the very end. And then just applying it about a third way in and stopping it right there for now. So let's apply most of the product right now here. And I'm applying most of the product on the bottom, and then feathering that up. And I'm just going to keep packing on that shadow until I get that depth and darkness that I like, and still always just concentrating on the outer corner right here. Not bringing it up too high. You can also just blend this part a little bit, but it is going to get covered up. When there's barely anything left on the brush, I'm going to start really lightly feathering that inward. I just want just a little bit of definition here. And now I'm going to start blending this out. You can see I'm kind of doing just little circular motions and then going back and forth. Now go back into Notre Dame in that E38 and start blending everything out and really diffusing this. I'm now going into City of Light. I'm now applying this shade in the center of my lid. And then lightly tapping that in to blend. I'm now picking up Louvre. With my Sigma F70 concealer brush, I'm going to start applying the shadow on the inner corner. I'm also just going to lightly tap this shadow over top of the silver just to lighten that up and brighten everything up a little bit. Now I'm going to highlight my inner corner with my F70 concealer brush. Now let's just lightly blend everything out so there's no harsh lines. I'm going to the Lottie London Eyefoil Metallic Eyeshadow Topper in Feels. I'm now going to tap this over the silver just to add a nice sparkle because it is New Year's after all. I'm now just going to dust off the translucent powder and then take the tape off to reveal the beautiful shadow. I'm going into the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Zero. I'm going to line my upper waterline. And then with my EO6 Wing Liner Brush, I'm going to create that little inner corner with some black shadow. I'm now going to apply mascara and false lashes, and I'm going into the Tati Lashes in TL19. And that's the eye look done. Now moving on to my lips, I'm going to do a nude. I feel like I just want all that concentration up on my eyes because I'm obsessed with the shadow. It looks so good. So I'm going to try out this new lipstick. This is the Lottie London Slay All Day Matte Liquid Lipstick. I spent like the last 5 minutes trying to figure out what the name of it is. I have no idea. So I'm going to try to figure it out and I'll list it down below. So the formula feels really comfortable. It's more creamy and kind of moussey than your like normal liquid lipstick. I love the shade, but it's a bit too pale. So I'm just going to go in with the NYX lip pencil in Nude Truffle just to outline my lips a little bit and add some color and dimension. And that is it. This is a completed look of my black and silver smoky cat eye New Year's Eve makeup look. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I am obsessed, like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, with this look. obsessed with it. I love it so much. I love how it's like dark and smoky, but also not like super in your face and intense because we kept the lower lash line really nice and bare. I love that feline shape, you know. I'm all about that sexy cat eye. And this lip feels so comfortable. I feel like I have nothing on. I'm so happy that I put the liner because I feel like it really just kind of made the lips pop a little bit more. Before they were just like gone, disappeared into my face. So don't forget to follow me on my Instagrams. I now have 2 Instagrams, one for my nails and one for my makeup. So don't forget to follow me there. And a list of all the products that I used today, along with the brushes that I use, will be linked down below for you guys to find everything easier. And don't forget my brush set with Sigma, my Paulina Favorites brush set. Paulina Favorites brush set is back in stock, so go check that out. Everything will be linked down below in the description, and I think that should be it. I'll see you in the new year. Bye!